Hello and welcome back to an update video on the old Oxford Foghorn that I fitted to this motorcycle a few months ago. Now I made an installation video on that on the Oxford Foghorn to demonstrate how to fit it to this motorcycle. Now I've had several messages from people ask me why I didn't press the horn button and give a demonstration on how that horn sounded on the day. Now the strange thing is that I actually did. At 17 minutes and 40 seconds into that video, I pressed that horn button, but unfortunately several of my viewers didn't hear the horn sound. So a quick video today. What we're going to do is I'm just going to press this horn button several times and let you hear the Oxford Foghorn. Let's go. So there you have it, that is the Oxford Foghorn. One more time. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.